Basil, a great herb for energy problems, belongs to the adaptogen group. It will help your body to adapt to stress, to respond in a better way, that will allow you to improve health problems. If you have trouble concentrating, basil is an amazing herb that can ground you and make your brain focus on what you are doing. It is a bit antimicrobial, antibacterial, and can be specifically good for the mouth in mouthwashes. It helps as an antidepressant because of its action on the brain. It will help you focus and ground yourself. Echinacea, wonderful for acne as a tincture, which is made from all parts of the plant, including the roots. Helps stimulate the immune system, makes your body take this quick action against invaders. In oil form it helps with skin infections. In capsule form it fights internal infections. You can take a small piece of the root, crush it, and if you have a sore throat or sore mouth, chew it. That will not only numb you for a while, but you would be surprised how fast it can help you. Elecampane, another plant in which you will use its roots for bronchial problems, colds, flu, asthma and whooping cough. Also used as an expectorant, relieves spasms and convulsions, is diuretic, antidiarrheal, and stimulates the production of bile in the liver. Consult a health specialist if you wish to incorporate these plants and adaptogens into your daily life.